back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be doing customer service through email and chat. And they are paying very well. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Splice. Now, I've called this Splice Music. They are a music company, I think like a music streaming company. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And they are looking for a customer experience agent to work remote. Now, this is for my United States folks only. But they say music starts at Splice. They are cultivating an essential ecosystem for music creation with innovative audio products that inspire and enable artists. But they are basically looking for somebody to work with their product specialist and customer experience manager to handle a diverse range of inquiries from their users. You'll engage with these customers via email and real-time chat and then through their FAQ knowledge base. You'll report any technical bugs that you find to the product or engineering teams. You'll help identify problems with friction points of the users and help them come up with solutions, and you'll draw on your understanding of music creation in order to help the users achieve their creative goals. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who is passionate about creating music, has prior customer service experience, can be compassionate and empathetic towards fellow musicians. Of course, you have to have great written and verbal communication skills, be a team player, and very detail-oriented and highly organized. If that sounds like you, they're paying anywhere from $52,500 a year all the way up to $67,500 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.